Promoting your YouTube channel is not an easy task and requires a lot of dedication and knowledge. YouTube is currently the world's second popular search engine. You can market your channel using various platforms like Twitter and Facebook. The current market is very saturated and marketing your YouTube channel is not as easy as before. However, these 3 steps will help you promote your YouTube channel fast. Below are 3 ways to market your YouTube channel. 1. Always submit to crowdsourcing sites. You are likely to get many hits once you decide to use crowdsourcing sites to promote your work. These sites include Reddit and StumbleUpon. Once you submit your content to these sites, it is worth noting that you are more likely to get more hits if you give your content an amazing title. Make sure that you research on ways to get exposure in these sites to ensure that you yield positive results. Crowdsourcing sites will give you exposure and ensure that your YouTube channel gets more subscribers. 2. Ensure that you always target the right keywords. It takes approximately 1 hour for you to come up with the best keyword. Getting the right keyword requires you to do extensive research so that you can get a keyword with a high search rate. So the real question is how to get the best keyword. Below are sources that will help you get the best keyword for your content. The Google Keyword Tool is a tool that is quite popular and serves to reduce your workload. When you use this tool, it is advisable that you pick a keyword with low competitive scores and high search rate. The YouTube Keyword Tool is another tool that is quite good when it comes to getting the right keyword. This tool not only helps you get exposure but also helps you save a lot of time. You also get to save a lot of space by using this amazing tool. 3. You can also create social media share buttons to help you promote your channel. You can use 2 platforms to help you promote your YouTube channel. You can generate a link and use Twitter to expose your work to your audience. You can also use Facebook to promote your channel. All you have to do is generate a link and post it to your audience. Facebook and Twitter are 2 platforms which will give your work great exposure and in the process get you very many hits. It is very important to ensure that these buttons are on the first line of the description box to ensure that your viewers always see them. Conclusion. These 3 ways will help you boost your presence in YouTube and in the process promote your YouTube channel.